Hello everyone, I'm Naneshwari Chidravar. Welcome to my channel Anytime Maths. In this video, we are solving problems on Bayes theorem. What is Bayes theorem and the formula for that we have already seen in previous video. Here you can find the video link. Now let's directly move on to the example. In this example, there are three boxes. Box 1, B1, B2, B3. Fine. Each contains two coins. In box 1, both coins are gold coins. In box 2, one coin is gold, one is silver coin. In box 3, both coins are silver. A person chooses a box at random and takes out one coin. If the coin is of gold, what is the probability that other coin in the box is also of gold? How to solve this? See, main thing here is decoding the problem. Everyone knows the formula and mathematics, addition, subtraction, everyone knows. But where to use which formula is also important. Let's decode this together. A person chooses one box at random, okay, and takes out one coin. If the coin is of gold, it is already known that it is gold coin. Then what is the probability that other coin in the box is also of gold? Means both coins should be gold. Means indirectly they are asking what is the probability that box 1 is chosen. Right? See, what they are asking, let's find out. Are they asking B1 given gold or probability of gold given B1 box? Indirectly they are asking what is the probability that gold coin is chosen, that is from box 1, right? See, here what is the meaning of this? One coin is taken and it is of gold, which is already known. Then what is the probability that it is from B1 box? And this probability means box 1 is already selected. What is the probability that coin taken out is of gold? So what is asked in this question? This is asked, this we have to find, this we don't have to find, right? This is clear. Coin is gold, which is already known. What is the probability that it is from box 1? Now, first step is clear. This we have to find. Now, either this is conditional probability problem or Bayes theorem. Let's find it out. See, what does this mean? A coin is taken out and it is of gold coin. Coin from either of the box is taken out and it is of gold coin. This is already known. What is the probability that it is from B1? Means we have to find this. Now, what does this mean? Box 1 is already selected. Then what is the probability that coin is of gold coin? If a coin is taken out from this box, what is the probability that it is of gold coin? See, this is conditional probability question and this is Bayes theorem, right? We have already seen this. So, till now it's clear that we have to find this and this is Bayes theorem. Now let's apply Bayes theorem here. So what is our formula for this? Probability of bag 1 given that gold coin is already selected. So in numerator we have to reverse this, right? So G given bag 1 into probability of happened event, probability of B1. This is our numerator. And in denominator, what terms are there? See, as there are three bags, we have to write this term for bag 1 plus bag 2 plus bag 3, right? Fine. Now let's find these terms and substitute here. Now, see, probability of bag 1, bag 2 and bag 3. Let's find it out. What does this mean? There are three boxes. What is the probability of selecting box 1? 3 boxes are there. That's why selecting one box means probability is 1 by 3. So probability of this is 1 by 3. Probability of B2 is 1 by 3. Probability of selecting box 3 is also 1 by 3. Clear? Now let's find these terms. See, here I am finding probability of gold coin given that box 1 is already selected. See, box 1 is already selected. If I pick a coin, what is the probability that it is of gold? In this case, both coins are gold. Either of the coin is selected, it will be the gold coin. So probability of this is 1. This is conditional probability, right? Now, probability of gold coin from box 2. There is one gold coin, one silver coin. So probability is 1 by 2, right? Now, probability of gold coin from box 3. In this case, both are silver. So, what is the chance of getting gold coin from this box? 0. Fine. Now, let's substitute these numbers here and find the answer. So, my numerator value 1 into 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3 divided by 1 into 1 by 3 plus second term 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, that is 1 by 6 plus this 0 into 1 by 3, that is 0, right? Now if I take 1 by 3 common, I will get 1 plus 1 by 2, this is 3 by 2. This is the answer, right? If the coin is of gold, which is already happened thing, what is the probability that other coin in the box is also of gold? What is the probability that that coin is taken from box 1? Probability is 2 by 3. Understood? Now let's solve another example. Don't get frightened by seeing lengthy question. Let's solve this together. In a bolt manufacturing factory, machines A, B, C manufacture respectively this of bolts. So in a factory there are 3 machines. Machine A produces 25% of outcomes, machine B produces 35% and machine C produces 40%. Fine. Now on their output 5%, 4% and 2% are respectively defective bolts. Whatever bolts produced by machine A, out of that 5% is defective. Same for B and same for C. Clear? Now, a bolt is drawn at random from the product and is found to be defective. One bolt is drawn and it is already known it's defective. Then, what is the probability that it is manufactured by machine B? See, one bolt is drawn from either of the product and it is already known that it's defective. What is the probability that it is manufactured by machine B? So from this we can say it's Bayes theorem, right? It's not conditional probability. Now let's see what we have to find. We have to find B given defective or probability of defective given it's from machine B. What we have to find here? Let's see. Bolt is drawn and it is defective. It is already known. Means this. Defective, it is already known. What is the probability that it is manufactured by machine B? Means we have to find this, not this. Okay. Now let's apply Bayes theorem here. So for this, probability of B given D, Bayes theorem will be just reverse of this in numerator. So D given B into probability of this happened event divided by same terms for machine A plus machine B plus C, as there are 3 machines. Fine. Now, how to find this probability? See, here we don't have to find, it's already given in the question. This is already given. See, a bolt manufactured by machine A. So probability is 25%, means probability of machine A selecting machine A is 25%, means 0.25. Same for machine B, it is 35%, and same for machine C, it's 40%, right? This is the probability. Now let's find this. Machine A is already selected, and what is the probability that it's a defective bolt? Whatever is the output by machine A, out of which 5% is the defective product, means it is already given defective produced by machine A is 5%, means 0.05, right? Same for machine B, it's 4%, and for machine C it is 2%. Fine, let's substitute these numbers here and find the answer. Now numerator, this into this, 0.04 into 0.35 divided by this 0.05 into 0.25 plus 0.04 into 0.35 plus 0.02 into 0.40. Fine. Now let's solve this. All dots gets cancelled because there are same numbers after dot. Now numerator 4 into 35, it's 140 divided by 125 plus 140 plus 80. This is the answer, right? So probability of this B given D is 28 by 69. Means what? A bolt is randomly drawn and it is already known that it is defective. Probability that it is manufactured by machine B is 28 by 69. This is the answer. Thank you everyone. Hope you like this video.